Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 24th of May. Let's go, Pisces. It's over, Pisces. Something is over before it fucking began. All right? I have to take these secrets to the grave. Genius IQ. So I'm getting somebody was supposed to set you the fuck up. Genius IQ, I have to take these secrets to the grave and it's over. Yeah. I'm getting you catching on to something. Are you catching on to a setup that's been happening over and over and over again? Use protection. I'm also getting somebody have syphilis. I'm getting something about syphilis. I'm getting a doctor tell you say you have hepatitis. You don't have hepatitis, you have syphilis. Or something about syphilis. Something about a Pisces, them have syphilis. Use protection. Or something about this Pisces who want to have sex with you. Very, very urgent. Also, even though there's use protection, pills, condom, and etc., use protection is also protect yourself from anybody who's trying to cast any type of spell on you. I'm getting a need for protect yourself. Or I'm getting the Pisces here, the formula as to how to fuck with you, and then I'm going to try for do that. But I'm getting a use protection, whatever the fuck that meant. I have to take these secrets to the grave. I'm getting somebody got dead of a STD. Somebody could have AIDS, because usually when you have untreated STI, it actually can go up into the, whether you're a man or a woman, it can make your bladder inflame because it can spread and cause other infections. Or am I getting burn from your penis, or burn, discharge with burning? No, this could also be confused a little with yeast infection. Yeast infection will cause a burning feeling, red swollen feeling. But I'm getting have weird color as discharge or smell. Yeast infections don't usually smell. It will just come out very thick, whether it's for man or woman. I'm getting something a burn. I'm getting you have syphilis. A Pisces does. No phones allowed. And someone failed to disclose that information to you. I'm getting somebody had sex with you and them all of a sudden them ghost you. Or them claims that them a go foreign country. I'm guessing because them give you a STD. Or maybe because you use a condom. You never got this. Or somebody is like, come on babes, let's just do it without a condom. I don't feel anything. I'm not going to enjoy it. Yeah, because them want you enjoy having a fucking STD. That's what the fuck it is. Ooh. Yeah, the 7 of Swords. 7 of Wands. I'm getting a use protection though. Or something protect you from getting this. I have to take these secrets to the grave. Somebody was supposed to infect you, or them know them infected and not tell you. The Lover's card. Yeah, one Pisces, man. Or the man that try to hurry up and make it look like you're in a relationship and exclusive so you can have sex with them without a condom. Even if you're exclusive, remember there's babies to think about. You better strap that fuck up. And just because you're there with one man, so-called exclusively, that don't mean him don't have something already or not cheat on you. Because that's why exclusive couples were deemed to have sex without a condom. Whether them wanted to pull out or them never wanted a baby. It's because of the monogamy. Me not gonna go out and bring something in, them not gonna go out and bring something in, which is why we don't have to use a condom, right? I'm getting used to deal with this man, and the man a fine dying, romance and every blood clotting. The man has a STD. Or worse, the man hear that you have a STD, so he use a condom on you. So him know say you're infected, him know say you're sick, but him still want the pussy. Really, bitch? Really? The 5 of Cups. So someone plan never work to infect you with whatever this is. Or I'm getting something about misdiagnosis, or somebody say you give them one STD, you never gave it to them. They gave it to you, that's why they have to take these secrets to the grave. Or again, when Pisces pass, And them a claim say, oh, it's breeding problems. No, motherfucker. They had a STD. Yeah, they had a reproductive issue. Yeah, the 5 of Pentacles. And I'm getting everybody know. Or I'm getting this is something what the person keeper do. And keeper have sex with people, infect them and run. Keep having sex, infect them and run. Or them they're aware of their sexual profile and what them have. So them might infect people and then the girl and say, no, so that girl they have syphilis, that girl they have AIDS. Or who get the girl? No, the Pisces man. I'm getting somebody want you have sex with them in the shower because them a smell. Yeah, the Ace of Swords, the truth. So you might want to do a test. Because to me the Ace of Swords is a needle. Them keep wanting to have sex with them in the shower. So them can wash away everything so you not smell them discharge. Or you not smell nothing. Or I'm getting every time you have sex with certain type of man or you have sex, you smell this scent. When you're not having sex and when you're not with these men and you're not mixing your bodily fluid, you have no scent. And as soon as you start have sex, you have scent. It's because the man them have some type of infection. And when you mix with yours, it's causing a scent to come up. On your own, yeah, discharge and every single thing, you smell nothing. But as soon as you mix your bodily fluids with this man, you have this weird ass scent. Make it think of the man. And then I try to convince you, says you're a thought, you're a hoe. Yeah, you're a girl. That means you're going to have an STDs show quicker in male than female. So the man would know if him have it first. Yeah, the 8 of Wands and the Justice card. Yeah. I'm getting something. I don't know if it's a condom protect you. Or I don't know what it is. Maybe I never make him come inside of you. I'm getting something to protect you. You're not infected if that's what you're asking. I'm getting you were supposed to be showing symptoms a very long time ago. Or the person infected and watch you to see if you have symptoms. I'm getting you have no symptom. For some reason you never caught it. And the Page of Cups. Yeah. I don't know what this is, but I'm getting something protect you. But I'm getting the Pisces. The Pisces are dead of this. Of this weird infection. I feel like it's syphilis. I'm gonna leave it here. That's all.